We're excited to introduce Swop Interactables. With Swop Interactables, you can authenticate, verify, and make a digital copy. You can embed NFC chips into your clothing, and you can share information like a contact card with the tap. Embed an NFC chip that keeps you connected with customers, and it keeps them engaged with promotions and deals that they can access directly through the NFC chip. Our NFC chips are washer and dryer friendly. If you're an athlete in high school or college, you can create a personal website on Swop that you can share with coaches and keep fans connected in live time. With our NFC buttons, you can connect with customers and share your contact card with the tap. With Swop's dynamic QR system, you can update your infrastructure as you grow. To update your infrastructure, you just go on the website, buy a product, and then once your product arrives, you go on the App Store and activate your new devices to your profile. No more having to redo your whole infrastructure for every new product you order. Static QR codes, every time you change anything in your system like a website or contact information, you have to go back and order all new products and attach it to those links. With Swop, you just buy the product and attach it to your Swop profile, and we update the whole infrastructure for you. And that's what Interactables from Swop can do for you.